Hey y'all, welcome back to Fly50, no spaces. I'm your flight out D, and I'm back with another video. Y'all, you see me underneath these disrespectful lights because it's Foundation Friday. Yay! So on this Foundation Friday, y'all, so many products are releasing. I bought so many foundations last year. I need to be very picky. The new ones I buy this year. It is a lot. Okay, back to this. So the foundation I'm going to be trying is not new. It's been out a while. This is the Glossier Stretch Fluid Foundation. That's the box it comes in. And here is the foundation. I have mine in medium deep 3. This is a light to medium coverage natural finish. And yet 1 fluid ounce for $32. My face is moisturized and primed. The primer I used today was the Inky List Polyglutamic Acid Dewy Sunscreen SPF 30. Polyglutamate is a hydrating acid similar to hyaluronic acid. So I'm trying this. I really like the way it feels. It hydrates, primes, and protects. And I feel like my skin is definitely ready to try some new foundation. So like I said, this is a Glossier Stretch Fluid Foundation. Does have a little pump. Comes in 32 shades. All right, shake it up, shake it up. I will be using a sponge to apply it. Let's see what we're working with here. Now I want to say I got this in the same shade I got their light finish foundation in. Where that is, I'll find it. No, I'll get it later. It's got some thickness to it. It's not runny. Feels good. Okay. Oops. All right, that's one pump. Okay, I've only done this section. Blends in nicely. I do see a little glowy, radiance coming from it. It's definitely light to medium coverage. Looks good. Okay, let's finish my face. I'm gonna get another pump on my hand. 2 pumps. That's 2 pumps. What is it? It is a hydrating gel cream foundation that nourishes skin for buildable light to medium coverage with a natural to you finish. It has squalene and glycerin for hydration. It has wild rosemary and plankton extract to balance shine and maintain hydration. And it also has amino acid coated pigments that fuse with skin for flexible coverage and a natural to you finish. This foundation truly puts your skin first with an 89% skincare base. Plant-derived squalene and glycerin hydrate and nourish skin's moisture barrier, while wild rosemary and plankton extract balance the look of shine. Amino acid coated pigments fuse with your skin for flexible coverage in a wide variety of shades. All right. Here's what we're looking like. Looks good. All right, let's look at these claims real quick. Long-wearing, medium coverage, cruelty-free, liquid formula, natural finish, hydrating, definitely. It is lightweight. It did feel like skincare. It looks good on my skin. All right, well, they don't have many outrageous claims like a lot of foundations have. But yeah, this is what we're looking like. I'll be back with my finished look. And then just to show you and give you the time, and then we're going to do this wear test on this foundation. All right, y'all, here I am back with my finished look. Foundation is looking nice. Now the time is 1:41, but in between filming these parts, I had some stuff to do, so maybe like an hour passed by. But I'm still gonna use 1 o'clock to make it fair, to make it easier to count. So to make it easy to count, I'm just gonna start my wear test at 1 o'clock. And yeah, so this is my finished look. I'll be back at the end of the day. I'll do some type of wear test. It might be 4 or 5 hours, or it might be more. We'll see how I'm feeling. But yeah, see y'all at the end of the day. Hey y'all, I am back. It's the end of the day. The time is 8:31. So I had this foundation and this makeup look on for about 7.5 hours. And it still looks the same. It still looks great. As a reminder, I have normal to dry skin, so I don't have a lot of oils or anything. I mean, I even walked on the treadmill for 30 minutes. Yeah, this foundation looks really good. I mean, it doesn't have any outrageous claims or anything. There's no blurring. There's none of that 3D stuff. But I really like how it looks on the skin. And if you're going for that clean girl look, like if you use the original Glossier skin tint, which is very, very light. This is above light. It can be built up to medium, but it's still won't cover like a lot of things, but it is nice. It is a nice foundation, like going to work or going to run errands, things like that. I like it, and I think that would be a perfect way to use this. But y'all, yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and until I see you in another one, stay fly, sis.